We are now testing our gearbox. It's been about 45 minutes. This is our Marley right angle cooling tower gearbox, a 4000 series. We actually happen to have all the gearing and all the shafts in stock for that particular ratio. And as you can see now, we're testing the box. Right now running about 1000 RPM. We had it up to about 1750 and we're slightly slowing things down and monitoring it. So far everything sounds beautiful, ideally. Here at National Gear Repair, we strive on emergency rush repair work, get our clients up and running when and if needed. Not to mention, all our work is warranted for 24 months from the date of installation. So once we actually repair your right angle cooling tower boxes and ship out to you, your warranty will start when you actually put it in production. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video channel and all our social media content. We love to hear back from you. Any questions, any concerns, any likes. We like to stay interactive with our clients and with our followers. So again, thank you for taking the time out to watch our videos, and we look forward to hearing from you in the near future. Thank you.